How to fix Google Play Store retrieving information from server. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can fix errors on Google Play Store which is retrieving information from server and so on. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Sometimes you could just face this kind of errors on your Android smartphone. So this process is very common. So there is nothing really for you to worry about. We will go to some of the checks on this video which will hopefully let you fix that problem. So the very first thing we will simply do is we will simply go to our settings, and once we go to settings, we will go ahead and then look for apps. Once you go to apps, simply search for Google Play Store. So go ahead and then select Google Play Store once you find them on this list. What we will do is over here we will go to storage and we will tap on clear cache, and you might also as well want to tap on the clear data button. Keep in mind that after you clear your data on Google Play Store, you might actually need to re-log into your Google account. So re-log into your Google account and see if that fixes the issue. If not, the other thing I would do is come back over here and then tap on the three dots on the top right, and you'll find this button which is Uninstall Updates. Tap on Uninstall Updates, and if your Google Play Store was actually updated, it's going to revert it back to the factory default version which came with your phone. And in most cases that would also fix the issue because that is simply the stable version. If that doesn't, also restart your Android phone by pressing the volume down and power buttons together. Depending upon the key combinations for your own device over here, I'd recommend you to go ahead and then restart your Android smartphone. If not, then open up Play Store and we will try to update our Play Store. So in order to update our Play Store, go to the profile icon on the top right, go to settings, tap on the About button, scroll down to the bottom, you can see Play Store version and you can see Update Play Store. Simply tap on Update Play Store and you can see a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. So if there are any type of updates available for your Play Store, it is going to update automatically after you press this button over here. And hopefully one of these solutions should definitely work for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.